Hey folks, in this video, we're going to explore some essential fish related questions. Don't skip so you won't miss the detailed answers to it. Have you asked yourself how important are scales to fish? The primary reason is to safeguard the fish's skin from predators, parasites, and injuries. In addition to their protective role, fish scales also have hydrodynamic function that reduces water resistance while swimming. Did you know that not all fish have scales? Some species, like clingfish, such as eels, are entirely scaleless. Second question that we're going to ask ourselves: how do fish breathe? Similar to humans, fish require oxygen to survive and release carbon dioxide. However, they breathe underwater through their gills, which is what sets them apart from other creatures. When a fish opens its mouth, water flows over the gills. These gills are composed of a fine structure containing numerous blood vessels or capillaries. These capillaries absorb the oxygen in the water and are subsequently transported throughout the fish body. The third question that we could ask: is there a negative impact of dead zones on ocean ecosystems? What do you think, folks? Dead zones where excessive nutrients diminish oxygen levels can seriously affect marine life. One key reason is that fish and other animals cannot obtain enough oxygen from the water to survive. Bacteria or algae overgrowth can lead to a decrease in oxygen levels. Once the algae have reached the end of their life cycle and die, they are consumed by bacteria. This decomposition process results in the consumption of the dissolved oxygen in the water. Excess nutrient input is the primary factor in nutrient overload in rivers and oceans. Nitrogen and phosphorus are the key nutrients abundant in fertilizers, animal wastes from pets and farms, and wastewater treatment. When it rains, these nutrients are washed into the rivers and the ocean. What's on the menu for fishy friends? Fish have varied diets, ranging from plant matter to small organisms like worms, crustaceans, and other fish. They are opportunistic predators and will eat whatever is available, including birds in rare cases. The fifth question: what is the role of herbivorous fish in maintaining coral reefs? Herbivorous fish, such as parrotfish, help prevent algae from overtaking coral reefs through their grazing. On the other hand, fish like damselfish play an interesting role as algae farmers by promoting the growth of algae that they enjoy consuming. Sixth question: why do fish school? Typically, schooling fish are of the same species and possess similar ages and sizes. Fish have many reasons for swimming in schools, such as defending themselves against predators and conserving energy. Larger groups make it easier to locate and share food. Have you ever wondered how fish get their beauty sleep? Fish are known to reduce their activity and metabolism at rest but remain vigilant to potential threats. While some fish will retreat to safe spaces within mud or corals, others will simply float in suspended animation. Interestingly, some fish, such as the parrotfish, will create a protective cocoon out of their mucus to guard against parasites while they nap. What makes fish a potential source of high mercury? The food chain can be affected by pollution, leading to elevated levels of mercury in fish. Although mercury is a natural element found in the Earth's crust, mercury pollution is caused by human activities such as burning coal and mining gold. Mercury is introduced into the atmosphere and then dissolves in water. Once dissolved, it is consumed by single celled algae, such as phytoplankton. Then, as the food web progresses, this mercury gradually moves up, accumulating in predators as they consume more prey. Fish are very efficient at absorbing methyl mercury, a particular type of mercury which then accumulates in their muscle tissue. As a result, predatory fish that occupy the top of the food chain, such as swordfish and sharks, have extremely high levels of mercury because they retain all the methyl mercury from their prey. Can fish experience pain? One intriguing query that has been raised is whether or not fish feel pain. It's been established that fish are capable of experiencing pain. This is because they have nociceptors, neurons that can detect harm. Interestingly, they can also produce the same internal painkillers as mammals, opioids. Why is fish important to humans? Eating fish is a crucial component of a well balanced diet. It is an excellent source of protein and vitamins, and one of the primary dietary sources of heart healthy omega 3 fatty acids. Consuming omega 3 fatty acids can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Hey folks, thanks for watching. I'm crossing my fingers that you learn a thing or two from this video. Don't be shy. Give that like button a workout. Share it with your squad and drop some comments. Wishing you a fantastic day, amigos.